and happiness. We hope that you experience peace this evening and the remaining days of Kwanzaa be filled with love and unity, bringing a fresh and renewed appreciation of Kwanzaa. To begin our Kwanzaa ceremony, we need to ask permission from an elder to begin the celebration. Kwanzaa greeting. The standard Swahili greeting is Habari Gani, which means what is the news? Habari Gani?
Umoja.
Habari Gani?
Umoja.
The next ritual we will participate in is the lighting of the Kwanzaa candle. Each candle represents a specific principle. They are lit one day at a time in a certain order. We start with the black candle. This candle indicates that the people come first. On this day, we light our candle, symbolizing a commitment to be active and informed, and to promote togetherness on matters of common interest. Umoja focuses on unity for both our achievements and our setbacks. We commit to build and maintain our community, taking on each other's problems and working to solve them together. As each candle is lit, you shout Harambe, which means let's pull together.
Amen.
Unity
Unity
within the family, nation and race will uplift our spirits and uphold our cultural base. Whoever has the unity cup must share out what unity means to them.
Unity to strive for, maintain, build unity in the race, nation, and world. We have undying love for our people. We never forsake each other. We stick together. We stay together between thick and thin. And we enhance the world. All civilization based upon the fact that no matter what hardship, no matter what danger, no matter what trial and tribulation, we know how to stay together. Habari Gani, Habari Umoja.
Unity for me continues to mean strength in our community.
I will dip my finger in the unity cup to sprinkle water in the direction of the four winds, north, south, east, and west, acknowledging the displacement of African people worldwide. We will pause to remember all who have come before us and their great sacrifices. May their memories always live in our hearts, because love is eternal. Let us also honor the motherland, Africa, by pledging to lift America to a higher calling.
Yes.
Libation is giving honor, reverence, respect, and recognition to our ancestors whose shoulders we stand on and our elders whose shadows we walk in. We pour libations to honor the past so that we may learn from it. We use water because water has no enemy. We use water to freshen the road our ancestors traveled to be here with us today. We use water as a symbol of the continuity of life, to purify and to nourish our soul. Let us say Ashe.
Ashe.
We pour libations to our mothers, grandmothers, and great-grandmothers, our fathers, grandfathers, and our great-grandfathers, uncles, aunts, and cousins, the foundations of our family immortalized in our thoughts. Let us say Ashe.
Ashe.
We pour libations to our elders, who we seek in all endeavors. Let us say Ashe.
Ashe.
We pour libations to our parents, who guided us along the road to adulthood. Let us say Ashe.
Ashe.
We pour libations to our friends whom we are blessed to have in our lives. Let us say Ashe.
Ashe.
without me. There's no me without you.
There's no me without you.
Because I am.
Because I am.
We are.
We are.
All for one.
All for one.
One for all.
One for all.
Arambe.
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 Arambe. Habara Umoja. Good night.